What to eat daily for stronger knees and flexible hips. Joint health begins with daily nutrition. The knees and hips are essential for movement, and over time, wear and tear can lead to pain, stiffness, or even injury. Knowing what to eat daily for stronger knees and flexible hips can make a significant difference. A nutrient-rich diet reduces inflammation, strengthens cartilage, and keeps joints mobile. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here are the top daily foods to include. 1. Bone broth and collagen-rich foods. Bone broth, chicken skin, and gelatin provide collagen and amino acids that rebuild cartilage and ligaments. 1 cup daily supports joint structure. 2. Fatty fish and omega-3s. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce joint inflammation. Eat fish 2 to 3 times per week or take fish oil supplements daily. 3. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Kale, spinach, and broccoli are full of antioxidants, calcium, and vitamin K, all vital for bone strength and joint repair. 4. Berries and colorful fruits. Blueberries, cherries, and oranges are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. These reduce oxidative stress and boost collagen production. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer healthy fats, magnesium, and manganese, key nutrients for cartilage function and bone density. 6. Eggs and avocados. Eggs provide sulfur and protein for tissue repair. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats that improve joint lubrication. 7. Turmeric and ginger. These natural anti-inflammatories can ease joint stiffness. Add a teaspoon of turmeric and a few slices of ginger to meals or tea daily. 8. Hydration and electrolytes. Water keeps joints lubricated. Drink at least 2 liters daily, and include coconut water or mineral-rich broths to stay balanced. Eating these foods every day can support stronger knees and more flexible hips, keeping you mobile, active, and pain-free for years to come. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.